the adjustment that I did here is to roll back some of the short strikes. And at the same time, we want to watch our upside risk when we do that. So I took 5 here, and I brought them back to here. And I sold 5 of the, and again, that would be too much of an adjustment. So I took 5 of these and brought those back to here. This is known as a Texas two-step that John Wilson affectionately named for us. And this brings us down to about positive 24. So that would bring us from a position that looks like this to a position that looks like that. Right, so we take off a lot of downside risk. We essentially roll the tent is pushed back a little bit, but the upside risk is not terrible. Whereas if I only rolled back the short strikes, I'd be taking on an awful lot should the market reverse. So we do like to do that to keep the T+0 line relatively flat.